Hello everyone, my name is Nick Bombardier. I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about this US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart from Harbor Freight. So upon assembly I noticed the bolt holes for the base and the legs did not line up perfectly. I would say the holes were off about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. I took my Dremel with a big carbide cutter bit and removed the material needed to allow the bolts to fit. Once the holes were bored out, the assembly process was pretty smooth. Obviously, lifting the box into position by yourself is not an easy task, and I don't recommend you do it alone if you're not used to lifting heavy objects. My roommate stopped by to check out the tool cart. Anyway, you guys get the idea. I finished putting the rest of the nuts and bolts on and getting them tightened down. Once the cart was assembled, I just kind of put stuff in a happy spot for now. I just wanted to make it aware that these carts are probably going to need some dremeling to assemble. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.